You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on paint protection film. Now you have the power to do it yourself. Last year, we changed the way Tesla owners protect their vehicle with our front protection kit, saving Tesla owners thousands of their hard-earned money. Now we're taking it a step further to keep your Tesla looking as good as new from every angle. As passionate Tesla owners ourselves, we understand the importance of protecting your investment. We also recognize the financial limits that we've all faced. That's why we're proud to offer an affordable alternative, the do-yourself full protection kit. We provide high-quality paint protection film, custom cut and custom designed to fit the unique contours of your Tesla, and the necessary tools to install the kit successfully. Designed with beginners in mind, we provide an exclusive video course that guides you step by step throughout your installation process, so you can achieve great results right from your garage. We developed this kit because we believe that protecting your Tesla should be available to all regardless of your budget. So, are you ready to protect your Tesla?